Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare fish curry of my ancestors' time. So please watch this video till end. You'll be knowing the benefits of this curry. So let's go to the ingredients part, which is very healthy. This fish carries the vitamin D also. And coming to the ingredients part, raw fish 1 kg, oil half cup, 2 onions chopped, and 1 cup of tamarind, turmeric pinch of tamarind, salt as per your taste, 2 spoons of chili powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder, 2 tomatoes chopped, curry leaves. Now mustard seeds, black gram and jeera, garlic, ginger paste, black pepper, and 4 chopped green chili. Now let's get started how to prepare. But before that, wash your fish with the normal water thrice. After that, just have a lukewarm water and with that turmeric little bit and salt add it, and just soak that fish for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that all bacteria will die. Now let's get started. In that pan you add the oil, chopped onions, pepper and tomatoes. So this fish is high in vitamin D, high in important nutrients, may boost your brain health. So now you add curry leaves, a good dietary source of vitamin D. Just add green chili, and the seafood is also amazing for your mental health. Fish is one of the most beneficial protein source for your diet. Now add 1 spoon of ginger. This keep your body lean and muscles strong. Fish does not only impact your waistline, but also other functions of your body, including your liver, brain and even your sleep. Who have lack of sleep, even they can have nicely this fish so that they will get nice sleep in the night time. Now just close with the lid, let it fry. You have to use only 2 spoons of oil for this. And now if you open, another 5 to 10 minutes it should fry. So make sure you're incorporating fish into your diet. This fish is very healthy and which carries the vitamin D, which really helps you to brain functioning and very active brain functioning. Even for the kids, it's very healthy recipe. Please try to prepare at home. Now it is ready guys. Just make it to cool down so that we can make a paste in the mixie jar. So in this, you are going to add this to the mixie jar. For the same jar, you just add chili powder, coriander powder also. For this jar, chili powder and coriander powder also you add it. Now make a tamarind juice and add this jar paste. The paste is ready now, so add this paste to the tamarind juice. You have to mix well according to your consistency. You add the water and you have to beat it nicely so that the lumps won't be there. So you have to mix well. If you want, you can add water also. Now, so this fish is really very healthy to have to take it in your protein diet also. It will improve your brain functioning. Now beat well so that the lumps will get clear if it is there also. See, look at the consistency, it's very thick. Now coming back to the clay pots, or you can call mud vessels, or you may call mud pots also. This is very important, and it is nutrients like calcium, iron, sulfur to food which are extremely beneficial to your body if you prepare food in the clay pots. So add half cup of oil, Now add the mustard seeds, black gram and jeera. Now you add the garlic. If you prepare this in clay pots, which makes it easier for us to digest also. Now we add curry leaves. This provides plenty of moisture and means that you can cook with less oil and fat. And fry well. So 50% if it fries, then you can add the juice which you have already prepared that consistency. And now this is extremely beneficial for our body, that acts neutralize the acidity the food, which makes it easier for us to digest if you cook in the clay pots. And this consistency is very thick. If you want, you can add little bit of water. I've already added it. See, I've already added little water. And now you add the salt. Viewers, please listen carefully. Now only you should add this if you want spicy, nor if you want sour, or if you want the salt, you should add it now only. After adding fishes, you really can't add because you can't mix it. See, now the bubbles are coming. Now it's time to add the fishes. So the slices you should add right now. This is the right time to add the slices. You will be surprised to know that mud contains all the possible vitamins, even vitamin B12. You won't be thinking what is a B12 is. Helps with red blood cell formation and anemia preventions. May prevent major birth defects also. Now look at this, guys, how it is. Wow, it's so colorful. And look at that oil, it should float actually. And slightly you just press, don't press more. If you're by pressing slightly, completely the fish slices will be covered with that gravy. Now it is, bubbles are coming. Look how the oil is floating. So in this clay pot, reheating the food always leads to the loss of nutrients. But if you cook in a clay pot, it retains the temperature for a long time and no worries for reheating it. So you will be gaining vitamin B12 as well as the vitamin D for this gravy by cooking in the clay pot. So look at this. Now it is ready. It's already boiled. Now wow, it is so awesome, yummy, right? My mouth is watering. So now it's ready to have. Wow. Thank you, viewers. If you really like this video, please subscribe my video and like my video. Thank you. And please, who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Please taste this gravy preparing at your home and then let me know the taste, how you felt in the comment section. And please, viewers, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.